13, which is my Elsa bag. I love it because it's very glittery. It has this snowflake. This is my sling Elsa bag. We call it sling bag because you put it around your neck. And let's take the trash out of it. This trash is normally used to make the purse good shape. And also you can use it as a suitcase or an office bag since it has this thingy on it. I mean the handle. Look inside it. If this was an office bag, it would be very easy to keep stuff in it because usually in offices you use credit cards and there's also a little place to keep your credit cards. Inside, if this was my office bag, I would put all my pens in it so then it would be easy when I take it to my office. And the snowflake is just a design, but all this are just designs. When you first get a purse, they might have this tag on it, but you can just cut it off. Then it will be fine. And it won't look then it won't exactly hurt because sometimes it kind of hurts, or that actually happens to dresses, but it might not be looking that good, so that's why I would just say to cut it off. And then after you cut it off, it will look very good. And then you can wear it everywhere. I would only go to office. And office is almost every day, except Sunday and Saturday. And then I can get my snowflake purse, my snowflake suit back. So then it would be very easy. It looks like a lunchbox to me, but it's an office purse. I want it as an office purse. My cards can easily fit in this little place over here, and then it can easily fit in there, and then it would be very good. I think these are used normally for a stand. Yeah, these are used for the stand, so then it can stand. They're made out of metal because metal is very, very hard. Maybe very, very hard. And also my bag is a Disney bag since Elsa's Disney. And before you cut this tag, I would say just to read it in case it will kind of tell how to take care of the bag.